Right now, our team is keeping an eye on what the video is going, how everything's going, because it is our first broadcast. We are super, again, delighted. We're delighted to have you here. We're delighted to join us. If there's a product that you would like to see, any questions, we're also in our website. I'm actually pretty stoked about showing off our website, because our website is now going to be more of an interaction with all our customers and our vendors. You know, we always get the questions of how do I do this? How do I install this? How do I add this? And we always have to come up with answers for you that will enable you guys to be more confident to be able to purchase these items. Now, when I go back to purchase, I want to make sure that I let you know, within the purchase, I don't just want you to direct it to one person. I want you to be able to access it anywhere. We are available on Home Depot, we're available on Wayfair, we're available in Overstock, we're available in House, we are available on Amazon. We are available. Wherever you need this lamp from, we're available. We want you to shop with confidence and be able to direct your sales to the channel that you're most comfortable with. So again, these lamps are available. We're also going to be sharing the links so that way you have all this information accessible to you to feel more comfortable with purchasing from Worldwide Lighting. Again, thank you so much for joining us. I am so excited. I hope that every Friday you guys take the chance to go ahead and visit us. Come, you know, for even if it's just 5 minutes. I don't want to take too much of your time, but I do know that it's important for our customers to see these sneak peeks. And it's important to us to showcase these sneak peeks, because we want you to be just as excited as we are about the products. So again, thank you so much for joining me. Any questions, feel free to contact us. I'm going to have the email address there for you too. Again, my name is Ariel. This is Worldwide Lighting. Thank you so much again for joining us. Have a good day.